truck. One day, Miss Kitty gave our class a special project. We're going to raise money for a new fire truck. We watched cars, Tiger and I raced off the sod with a big hose. We had a bake sale. I brought brownies that I baked with just a little help from my mom. I set up a lemonade stand. I squeezed a lemon. We worked dog. Gabby and I worked Fluffy together. Our whole school gave the money. We went to the fire department. They said soon they would bring us a big surprise. The fire department came to our school. They brought the special. It was the new fire truck. What a great class project!